The turtle who took his time. In a quiet green forest, where tall trees whispered in the wind, there lived a young turtle named Tommy. Tommy was small, with a round brown shell and bright, curious eyes. He lived near a cool, slow-moving river and loved the peaceful life. But Tommy had one problem. Everyone told him he was too slow. "Why do you walk like that?" asked the squirrel. "You will never get anywhere in time," laughed the rabbit. "You will miss all the fun," shouted the bluebird. Tommy didn't say much. He just smiled, took a slow step, and kept going. "I like taking my time," Tommy said. He liked the smell of the flowers, he liked hearing the wind through the grass, he liked watching the clouds change shapes. "I don't want to hurry," he told himself. But am I wrong? Sometimes Tommy felt sad. Maybe he should move faster. Maybe he should try to be like the others. The big race. One sunny morning, a tall bear stood in the middle of the forest. "I have an idea," the deer said. "Let's have a race from the river to the hill. The winner gets a basket of berries." All the fast animals were excited. The rabbit, the fox, the squirrel, and even the bird wanted to join. Tommy looked at the race path. It was long. It went through the trees, around the rocks, and up a small hill. "I will join too," said Tommy quietly. Everyone turned and stared. "You?" said the rabbit. "You will be last." "You will finish tomorrow," giggled the squirrel. "This race is for fast animals," said the fox. But the deer smiled. "Everyone can join," he said, "fast or slow." The race begins. The next day, all the animals gathered at the river. The deer raised his leaf flag. "Ready, set, go." The rabbit ran fast. The fox ran faster. The bird flew above the trees. Tommy took one step, then another. Slow, calm, steady. The others were soon far ahead. But Tommy didn't stop. He watched the river sparkle. He greeted the ants on the ground. He waved to the flowers in the field. "Slow is okay," he whispered. Trouble on the path. Far ahead, the rabbit jumped over a log, but didn't see the hole on the other side. Thump! He fell in. "Oh no!" cried the rabbit. "My foot! I can't run!" The fox was so busy looking back at the bird, he didn't see the thorn bush and got stuck. "Ouch!" yelled the fox. "My fur!" The squirrel tried to take a shortcut, but got lost and didn't know which way to go. Only the bird was still going fast. Tommy keeps going. Tommy reached the log and heard the rabbit crying. "Are you okay?" Tommy asks. "I need help," the rabbit said. "No one stops." Tommy gently helped him up with a long stick. "Thank you," said the rabbit. "I laughed at you, but now you helped me." Tommy smiled. "It's okay. Let's keep going." They walked together, slowly, carefully. Tommy later saw the fox in the bush. "Need help?" he asks. The fox looked surprised. "You want to help me?" Tommy nodded. He used a small stick to lift the sharp branches. The fox got free. "I thought slow meant weak," the fox said. "But you are strong." Tommy just smiled again. Helping the squirrel. As they walked farther, they heard the squirrel calling. "I'm lost. Where is the hill?" Tommy pointed. It's that way. Follow the wind, listen for birds. The squirrel climbed down and followed Tommy. No, the rabbit, fox, squirrel, and turtle walked together. We were fast, said the fox, but we didn't see the things you saw. You noticed everything, said the squirrel. You even helped us, added the rabbit. Tommy just keeps walking, step by step, steady and kind. The top of the hill. Soon the hill was in front of them. The bird had already finished. She was sitting next to the basket of berries. She smiled. I got here first, she said, but I'm not the winner. The deer stood beside her. Why not? Asked the fox. The deer smiled. This wasn't just a race of speed, he said. It was a journey. You all ran fast, but got hurt or lost. Tommy moved slowly, but he helped others, stayed kind, and never stopped. Everyone looks at Tommy. You are the winner, said the deer, because you showed us something better than speed. A different kind of winner. The animals clapped. Tommy didn't jump or cheer. He just smiled, slowly, happily. He shared the berries with everyone. From that day on, no one laughs at Tommy's slow steps. They asked him for advice. They walked with him sometimes. They listened more. They saw things they had never seen before. The lesson. Tommy didn't change. He still liked the smell of the flowers. He still listened to the wind in the trees. He still took his time. And now everyone knew. Being fast is nice. But being kind, calm, and steady can take you farther. And sometimes the slowest steps lead to the biggest lessons.